Jay.
He's like, Tony's way cooler than you, Aunt Sandy.
Jay! Come here! Yeah, that was good. Yay!
That one stood out. It's like fun.
Yeah, but you listen to the
Okay, here, I'll move it. Is it still on your cast?
Is that good?
Yeah.
What? It's still under your cast?
No, this is good. How long do I have to sit here?
Long enough for us to take pictures?
Hey, can we go pack it? Yeah.
Pack her good. Oh, it's fun!
Oh my god, that one was heavy.
Keep your legs down.
Ready? But put it on, Casey. Put it on, Casey.
Is it heavy yet?
Oh my god, my arm. Chris, not so much.
Look at
You have to be covered, that's the whole point.
Watch it.
Smoother out, Matt.
Look at Jay. He's like, this is weird.
Will you get it out?
No, it's just a little.
Messed up my leg.
Okay.
Wait, will you come up? Will you please use your hands to put hands on my
No,
leg?
I wasn't gonna do that.
Do we need water to pack it?
You gotta pack it so you can see it.
We need to be pushing it down.
So heavy. Don't pack
Go
it.
get a bucket of
Ow,
water.
you're gonna break my foot.
Oh, you're okay.
He's still not sure, is he?
Use your hands.
Matt, use your hands.
You look funny.
Alright, let's go.
Let's go get some lunch.
I can get out of it.
It's like 10 o'clock.
You can get out.
She can break out.
Let me
You gotta
see.
tuck it down.
Raise your
Okay.
hand up. Raise it up.
I'm trying.
Where's it at? Raise it up.
Give her little sand boobies.
Yes, give her
Definitely
seat.
Give her sand boobies.
Oh my god, hurry. This is cool.
It's a real quarter slider.
Oh, come
Do you
on.
need a headrest? Do you need a headrest?
That's better.
Oh, ball.
She's only got one boob. Somebody fix her.
Oh, they're kind of crooked.
Don't breathe, you're cracking the sand.
Tighten it, tighten it, tighten it. Pack it, Chris.
Oh my gosh, the more you tell me not to breathe, the more I want to breathe.
Pack
Guys,
it.
those are crooked.
Chris, pack it around your arms and
They're
stuff.
not crooked.
They are now.
Make a nice flat foot
It's
right
too
on your
packed
boobies.
around my chest, you guys. No, you're okay.
You're okay. We won't let anything bad happen to you.
I'm gonna vomit all over myself.
Back off. Alright.
You look funny. Put it out. Pack your faces.
We need good pictures.
What are you doing? What are you gonna do to me?
He's not going to do anything mean to you. Oh, how proud.
It needs to be deeper next time.
Yay! It worked.
It's also like put my ring on.
Did she even say yes?
Did you even say yes?
Of course.
Oh my gosh. That was the best proposal ever.
I'm shaking. I'm shaking.
My
See,
She wasn't stuck very
not that I
much.
don't already know what it looks like.
Really good.
Oh, look at my camera's like shaking. If I'm shaking this much, they have to eat. Oh.
I knew it was gonna happen on vacation.
Oh,
Oh!
come on! Show the ring.
Smile.
You feel better, Matt?
Yeah.
What? Are you in shock?
Not really. I'm still kind of at a loss of words.
That was so cool. That was like the best proposal ever.
Let's get this party started.
Yeah!
We've all been like waiting for that.
That's why we're going.